Greeting dog enthusiasts, get ready to embark on a journey into the captivating world of the Maltese dog. With their distinctive silky white coat and leveling personality, Maltese dogs have captured the heart of dog lovers and centuries. Originating from the Mediterranean island of Malta, this breed holds a special place in the Kenyan kingdom due to its charming appearance, affectionate nature, and historical significance. In this video, we live into the world of Maltese dogs, exploring their history, characteristics, care requirements, and the unique bond of they form with their human companions. The Maltese breed boasts a long and storied history dating back over 2000 years. They were revered by ancient civilization, including the Greek, Romans, and Egyptians, who believed the breed possessed mystical and helping properties. Maltese dogs were often seen as symbol of nobility and were highly sought after by developing and instigating through history. The Maltese is a small toy breed known for its elegant and graceful appearance. They have a compact body, a slightly rounded skull, and expressive dark eyes that radiate warmth and intelligence. Their most notable feature is their long, flowing coat, which is pure white and silky in texture. Despite their small size, Maltese dogs have a bold and confident personality. They are known for their affectionate and gentle nature, often forming strong bonds with their human families. Maltese dogs thrive in companionship and enjoying being part of the family activities, making them excellent lap dogs and ideal for household for all size. As we conclude our exploration of the Maltese dog, we hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the captivating breed. With their rich history, charming appearance, and affectionate personalities, Maltese dogs have established themselves as beloved companions throughout the ages. By providing proper care, grooming, trainings, and socialization, we can ensure their happiness and well being, allowing them to continue bringing joy and companionship to countless households. So, whatever you already have a Maltese dog or are considering adding one to your family, may the bond you share be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments.